For here, we are creating a new project. Let's call this project Income in Inequality. And once we're in here, we then can go to Tools and we can go to Online Search. And we can actually then kind of search for our terms within PubMed. So here we are essentially just going to search the title and the abstract, and we're then going to as well have it search health outcomes, and again we're going to limit this to title and abstract. When we hit search, it then will come up with 84 results. We click on OK, and it will actually show all of the references. We then can import them all into Synthesis, and we can actually return to Synthesis and we can actually see what we have. One of the first things that we probably want to do is we want to have a very quick understanding of the literature. So we can actually go to Tools and do Derive Metadata, and we can say we want to see kind of which countries these are being referenced, and maybe like kind of what type of study types and the population types. And what happens now is it's actually searching for either certain words or certain phrases that are like kind of actually related towards like kind of the countries or the study types or the population types. So with this, it then provides us a really quick sense of in fact what type of literature we have just basically imported here. So right now it's just still working away. With a larger set of data, it would actually take a little bit longer as well. So right now what we have is we then have like kind of we like then like kind of have like all the countries that it's found and all the study types that it's found, and we then can actually basically click on these and go like view chart enhanced, and here we're able to basically quickly just see like kind of like which countries it has actually found. We can save this. We can actually save it to the clipboard as well. We as well can actually do the same type of thing for the study type as well. And then it's like kind of actually just a very quick way where if we actually wanted to look for certain things, like if it was an OECD country, we then can have that, and we can actually basically tag these type of things. So new column, we could create a new column and go OECD, and then at that point it'll then kind of show us what we have there. Maybe in the abstract, if we actually just want to see if the word basically multiple happens, then it will highlight this, and in the case that they actually had like whether we were searching for basically multiple countries or like things like this as well, though you like and then would actually basically just head through, and you would then like kind of actually just choose which of the abstracts you're wanting to include or exclude. But since we kind of did a pretty limited search on our PubMed import, we can essentially just basically include all of these. And then what Synthesis does is it allows us to basically click on download all papers, and the software will then go out and it will try to find the full text of these papers. Now it takes about 20 seconds to 30 seconds per paper, so it's one of those things you would probably run and then head for coffee, then come back. As well, though, Synthesis does have a proxy server, so then you can actually tap into your university so that you're able to access whatever your institution has access to, compared to just searching the open access papers. And that's kind of an overview of Synthesis.